And welcome to a summer carnival. We got a special guest chef today. Addison, you got some schmutz on your face. For a summer carnival, I was thinking, let's make some corn dogs. Almost every time you think about a pantry, you can think of sometimes having this box of Jiffy. All you needed to do this is this box of Jiffy, 1 egg, 1/3 a cup of milk, and then you're gonna need 4 inches of oil in a pan, and then you can fry whatever you want. Very small pot because I try to keep it simple here while filming, but you should use an appropriately sized pot when frying stuff and have a grown-up supervision. I'm doing all the frying and I'm keeping Addison making the sauce over there. So make sure when you cook, you also cook smart. That's really cheesy. Well, there you have it. Some carnival favorites, corn dogs and fried cheese. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun! Special guest chef, Addison. And today for Summer Carnival, we're going to be making cotton candy lemonade. Let's make a mess. For this recipe, you're going to need 8 to 12 lemons, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 cups of water, and some cotton candy. I made a mess. So for the next part of this, you need your cotton candy and your nice chilled lemonade. Now, you want to taste this before? Okay, now you're going to take a bunch. You're going to shove it in your glass. Shove it in your glass. Then you take your chilled lemonade. That's it for this episode. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun!